Kerongni joto dagi mung nerogoi Maha Ostomini Salo Agotalani Durgabari Mwtaino Khlaijakha Barokmung a Salo diboni damchini jorawo Ossa Mwtaino Khlaijakha chamung numo Sarigo Khlaijakha Barokmung aboni yagulo horni damchuku tei thoti thamchi jorawo Khlaijakha dosmi puja Sangrong Salo Nabami Sal Abuni bagai Sangrong Salo Kerongni joto dagi mung nerogoi Nabami Sal Agotalani Durgabari Mwtaino Khlaijakha Barokmung a Salo diponi damchini jorawo Ossa Mwtaino Khlaijakha chamung numo Sarigo Khlaijakha Barokmung abuni yagulo horni damchuku tei soti thamchi jorawo Khlaijakha dosmi puja a Salo Ossa Mwtaini Barokmung tei Durgabari Mwtaino kitingoi kutum lakha amchaini rukurok Narion Tanglai Lokhi Narioni Nogo Sarikni Barokmungni yagulo Khlaijakha dosmini shubo jatra aboni bisingtino pairajaka Ossa Mwtaini Barokmung tei khulumung hone saka Durgabari Mwtai nokni pujari
বারোটায় মান অন্তর্ভুক্ত হবে বিকেলবেলা আরতি তারপর লুচি পুজো হবে মান বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে কালকে দশমী পুজো 8:30টায় হবে তারপর 9:30টায় মা ঘর চলে যাবে রাজবাড়িতে নারায়ণ চলে যাবেন লক্ষ্মীনাথ বাড়িতে সন্ধ্যে 6:30টার সময় আমরা ফিরে যাব দশমী ঘাটে
Rajakha Agulismi Pranabni Kokthom Chini Khorang
Malhar Events and Entertainment is presenting here in association with Exclusive all event requirements under one roof. This is for the first time in Agartala. We have several location partners with us. We are organizing wedding events. We are organizing decoration, catering, photography, videography, brass band, live music and all. We are also organizing birthday parties for theme decoration, catering, photography, videography and all. We are also arranging marriage anniversary party for decoration, catering, photography and videography. We are also managing corporate events. So for corporate conference, dinner, lunch, LED screen we are taking care of. We are also organizing live music, unplugged music, orchestra, ghazal nights and all. We are also arranging fashion show. We organize fashion show event hunt for national level and state level. Malhar Musical Academy, we will have all the mentors for Malhar Academy. So we work as per the budget of the client and as per the satisfaction of the client. So book your events now on 9892348734 and 9862756997.